be used in the classroom that creates an interactive experience for the student and also provides easy formative or summative assessments? That would be the active expression. The active expression is designed to be used with ActivInspire software that comes with every Promethean board. Before we go any further, let me explain what the active expression device is and what its advantages are. It is a handheld learner response system that allows individual students to input information about questions or activities. This inputted data is collected by the computer software for the teacher to use as needed. The result to student responses may be displayed by device number, student name, or anonymously. The result of student data may be displayed in a variety of formats or may be saved in an Excel file. However the teacher chooses to use the data, it will increase interaction among students and teachers and ease the stress of grade collecting. Now that we know what the device is, let's look at how to set everything up for the first time. The Active Expression comes with 32 handheld devices, an active hub, a 6-foot USB extension cord, a hub holding device, and instructions. It all fits together nicely in a zip-up carrying case. Each handheld device communicates by radio frequency to an antenna called an active hub. This hub is easily installed in a USB port on the teacher's computer. You can use the holder and the 6-foot USB extension cable to place the hub in a clear location. You will know that the hub is active when the green light begins to flash. As long as the active hub travels with the set of active expressions, different teachers can use the device without having to run through the setup process again. For student accountability, it is a good idea to label and assign devices to individual students. This can be done with a sticker or permanent marker. Each day, students will be responsible for checking out and checking in the same device. With new devices, you will have to remove the plastic that separates the batteries. Now, let's take a closer look at the Active Expression device. First, I want to point out the power key. It is located here. To turn the device on, you should hold the power key down for a few seconds. The key on the side of the screen are called the hotkeys. You would use these buttons to select options displayed on the screen. Next, you should locate the delete key or the backspace key. This key may come in handy. On the same side, you should locate the menu symbol key. You will use these keys to register the device and to access a range of character symbols. Of course, the enter key is the carriage return key, and the key with the lower and uppercase A and the number 1 is the button that allows you to toggle between numbers and upper or lowercase input. With ActivInspire software, open the device browser and click on the registration icon. You will need to know how many devices you want to register. If the hub has been inserted into the USB port, it will be displayed in the device window. Select the hub and Active Expression icons to display registration buttons. Click on the registration button. ActivInspire will ask you how many devices you wish to register. Each device comes with a pre-installed device number. If you wish to rename the device, check the box. Now, ActivInspire is ready for you to register each device using the PIN code provided on screen. After the device is powered on, access the setup feature by pushing the menu button. The display will now give you the option to select register by using the hotkey. Here, the device needs the PIN number provided by the teacher's computer. If you have chosen to rename the device, you will be prompted to change the name after entering the PIN number. Well, that's it. Once you've entered the PIN number into each device, you're ready to start using all the features available with the Active Expression. Remember, the Active Hub travels with all the devices, so the next teacher that uses it does not have to reprogram each device. I hope this has been a very good learning experience for you. Enjoy using your active expression. Well, I bet you thought the video was over. You know, I thought you might need a little help in managing your devices and understanding the different types of questions that can be used to make sure that your students are understanding the lesson that's been taught. One way to manage your devices is to assign a number to each student and to a device that each child will use all semester or year long. The student will know that they will be using the devices that day if they see the case next to the door and open. This will take a little training, but they should walk by, select the device, and be seated. You may choose to wait and pass them out yourselves, whatever is best to your teaching situation. When collecting the devices at the end of class, it is good to arrange them in numerical order to help you maintain a complete inventory. There are two main types of questions. The first category would be ones that you pre-made before class. These questions can show up on the Promethean board, or you can make the questions show up on the viewfinder of each device. However you decide to present these questions, it will take some prep work on your part. The other type of questions that could be used are questions that you make up on the fly. Now, what I mean by on the fly is these are questions that you might ask verbally. Then you would select the correct settings on the software and the students would respond. These questions could be things like true-false questions, yes, no, a numerical answer, or even a text answer. This is a good method of a type of formative assessment. You know, the Active Expression software allows you to be as flexible as you want to be. You just spend a little bit of time with it and you'll be a pro. You know, kids really enjoy using this type of student response system. Matter of fact, one of them told me the other day, it really just makes learning more interesting. I hope that you've learned enough by watching this video that you would feel comfortable implementing this type of technology into your classroom.